Linking your bank to Scale AI can streamline your financial transactions and improve your overall experience. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Create a Scale AI account. Visit the Scale AI website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a secure password. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to your account dashboard. Look for the Payment Settings or Billing section in the menu. This is where you will manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. In the Payment Settings, find the option to link a bank account. Click on it to begin the linking process. You may see options for different payment methods. Choose the bank account option. Step 4. Enter bank information. You will need to provide your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure that the information is accurate to avoid any issues with linking. Step 5. Verify your bank account. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to Scale AI. This will allow for easy transactions and management of your financial activities within the platform.